Hello everyone, I'm very glad that you reached the last video of the quantum eraser from our group. In this video, I would like to share you how we use the setup we said in the last video, in the video part 2, to actually do the experiment, to actually do this quantum eraser experiment. So here is the stuff we have from our last video with one extra component. So this is a very simple apparatus. It's just a needle in between and it's used to show you how interference pattern should look like. And this is the apparatus we talked about in the last video, which is this polarizer, needle polarizer. This is just the laser and the laser holder. And here, this very delicate laser holder, the third polarizer holder, is actually designed by one of our undergraduate students. Her name is Brianna. With her help and the help of the 3D printing service from Purdue University, we can make this very neat, very good third polarizer mount. So let's get started. I'm gonna first show you how the interference pattern look like. But before that, let me first show you how this laser point looks like. It's just a single straight dot. It's just a very general laser pointer. Now let me put this removable portable part on this box, very simply, just like that, and make sure the laser is divided by this needle. And let us check the pattern. It is very clear that we have a interference pattern. You can see fringes, dark, bright, dark, bright, dark. It's very obvious that we have the interference pattern as we expected. Now, let me put this out and replace this by this polarizer, needle polarizer part. And again, make sure that the laser is shooting through the middle of this apparatus. Let the needle divide it into two parts. Now let us check what's happening right now on the wall. And I will also bring this third polarizer holder with me so we can do the experiment more easier. Let me slightly adjust the direction of the laser. Now let's see what happened. It is very clear that the interference pattern disappeared, right? It is just a bright line. It's just a straight bright line. So at this point, we get rid of the interference pattern, so it is not wave-like. It is now particle-like. It is a straight line pattern, a non-interference pattern. So now I'm gonna put this laser mount somewhere in the middle and let the laser pass through it. So now we have no interference pattern. Let's see, what is the direction of the polarizer? Well, it is vertical. Now let me slightly rotate this polarizer to 45 degrees. Can you see the interference pattern? It is now going back. It is now, the interference pattern is back. And let me keep rotating the polarizer. It is more clear that I show you right here. I think, maybe not. I will just keep showing you the pattern on the wall. Okay, I'm keep rotating the polarizer. Now, as you can see, it's go back to a straight line. And check what it is on the polarizer, on this polarizer. It is now horizontal. And this is also what we expected. Let me keep rotating it. Well, we get back to interference pattern, disappear, interference pattern, disappear. And again, horizontal, right? This is all we expected. So let me retrieve you back to what we said in the part 1. why we get the why you have no interference pattern when it is horizontal? It is because all the light, all the vertical light is blocked. So now this third polarizer doesn't help to erase the information, to erase the fact that it must pass through one side of the first polarizer, of not the first polarizer, of this needle polarizer apparatus. This can only happen when the third polarizer has some angle accordingly to this apparatus. So the result is what we expected, and the experiment, it looks good, and it's very clear that we jump over from the interference pattern and non-interference pattern when we rotate the third polarizer. It is just what we expected. So I hope you can learn something from this video, as you can build your own quantum eraser setup from last video, and you can know what to do with this setup to do the experiment by yourself on your own in your apartment. Or you can share with your friend. You can let them come here and say, hey, I have a quantum eraser and this is how I'm gonna do that. I hope that at this point you all know what to do. And I think this is the end of the video and the end of the quantum eraser. If you have any question, just make the comment. I'm very happy to answer them. I hope you all learned something, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.